1, 2, 3. Wow. Come on, let's go in.
Photo op.
Whoa! Look at all the flowers and fruit.
Hello, you lovely flower beds. It's time to wake your flower sleepyhead.
Mom, are you singing to the plants?
They like it.
I wish the plants would sing back. Hey, that gives me an idea. Do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that all of the plants were singing to us.
Welcome to the enchanted garden. We are the roses, tra-la-la-la-lee. We smell nice and we're quite pretty.
We are the daisies, tra-la-la-la-lo. Our petals are white and our centers are yellow.
We are the tulips, tra-la-la-la-lee. Using your imagination, you heard us sing. This is the enchanted garden.
Wasn't that grr-ific?
Daniel, come over here and see the strawberry plants.
Okay. Are all of these strawberry plants?
Yes, they are.
But why doesn't this one have strawberries?
You've got to look a little closer to find out what you want to know.
We gotta look a little closer to find out what we want to know. Ooh. When I look closely, I see some little green things on this plant. They have lots of little dots on them, just like a strawberry. And they have the same shape as a strawberry. Big on top and pointy on the bottom.
Interesting observation, Daniel. So, you looked closely. Now, what did you find out?
Are those little green things strawberries?
Good thinking, Daniel. Those little green things are baby strawberries.
Hey, I looked closely and I found out that they're baby strawberries. Hi, baby strawberry.
And when the baby green strawberry grows up, it turns red. That's when we know it's ready to be picked. Like this one here.
Perfect for strawberry pancakes. Grr.
Will you pick 5 red strawberries, please?
I will. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strawberries. Thanks for helping me. What is the bird doing? Little bird, are you exploring like me? The bird's picking up leaves. Why do you think he's doing that? Hey, where are you going, little bird? There's the brown bird, too. Maybe they're having a leaf dinner. Like leaf spaghetti or a leaf hamburger. Hey, what's the bird doing with that stick? It looks like the birds are building.
Good observing, Daniel. I think they're building a nest, see?
The bird is putting the stick into the nest.
Uh-huh. She's tucking it in. The birds are building a nice, cozy home.
I want to help them.
That's a nice idea, my fuzzy little guy.
Okay, Meow Meow. Hey, look, some sticks. Look at that. These sticks are kind of rough and bumpy. What's this? Will you look with me? What could the birds use? Ooh, this feels soft, like a pillow. Look, it's fuzzy, just like me. Daniel, what about this grass? Oh, it's so long and pointy. Let's take it. For the birds! Here you go, birds.
We hope you like your presents for your nest, Meow Meow.
Let's watch and see what happens. He sees them. He took a stick. He's putting it in his nest. He's taking the grass too, Meow Meow. She tweeted at me. Tweet, tweet.
I tweeted back.
Look, they're going into that hole. Maybe they're building something down there. I wish we could explore underground and see what they're doing. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that we can explore the ant world.
Let's sing a song for ants, so many ants. Ants are super strong and work together all day long. They carry things from here and there. Build with so much care. Let's sing a song for ants, so many ants. They explore everywhere around. Ants moving fast and feeling proud. Let's sing for ants. Yeah!
Wasn't that grr-ific?
There's so much to explore when you're outside.
There's so much to explore when you're outside.
Come explore the woods with us.
Keep your eyes and ears open. There are all kinds of things to see and hear in the woods.
Ooh, cool. I see big, tall trees.
And I see rocks and sticks. What do you see?
I see dirt. Lots and lots of dirt.
Oh, my.
Phew.
It's okay to get a little dirty when you're walking around in nature. There's so much to explore when you're outside.
There's so much to explore when you're outside. Come on, let's explore.
Oh, look at this giant tree. It looks like it could touch the clouds. So tall.
Want to know more about trees? There's a book for that. That's a maple tree, hoo-hoo.
Oh, the maple tree bark feels bumpier than the fern.
Hoo-hoo. It does feel bumpy and sticky.
That sticky stuff is called sap.
It's so sticky. Hey, a leaf fell on me.
Oh, that's marvelous.
What kind of leaf is that?
That is a maple leaf. It must have fallen from the maple tree.
Whoa. What do you think this leaf feels like? It feels soft, but scratchy too. I love exploring.
I do too.
Do you? Let's keep exploring. I felt drops.
Drops?
Yup, raindrops.
It looks like we're getting a little rain shower.
Oh no.
No, I don't want it to rain.
Do we have to go inside now?
I don't want to go in.
Oh, no, it's just a little rain. And you know what?
What?
There's even more to discover in the rain.
Yay! Let's be rain explorers. Come on.
There's so much to explore when you're outside.
Ooh, a puddle. Wish I had my rain boots.
Interesting. Hoo-hoo. Look at this.
What is it?
It's a worm.
Would you look at that?
Wow. Have you ever seen a worm like this? It looks so shiny.
I see another worm.
Hello, little worm. The worm is crawling like this. I'm a wiggly worm. A wiggly worm. Wiggly worm.
I'm a squirmy worm. Hey, Meow Meow, what's wrong with the strawberry plants?
I don't know. The strawberries are all brown.
And the leaves are falling off.
Mom,
What's going on?
look. What's wrong with these strawberries?
It looks like this little strawberry plant is dead.
Dead?
What do you mean, dead, Meow Meow?
Well, I mean, it's not growing anymore. It's not making strawberries.
No strawberries?
But that's our little strawberry plant. We planted it ourselves.
I was so excited to pick the strawberries, Meow Meow. But now, there are no strawberries. And that makes me feel sad.
Ask questions about what happened. It might help.
Ask questions about what happened. It might help. If I water the strawberries,
Will that make them grow?
No. Watering won't make these strawberries grow again.
Well, what if we give it some more dirt?
No. Once something dies, it doesn't grow again. But you know what else we can do? We can plant some new seeds, and then in a while, more strawberry plants will grow.
And then we can pick those strawberries?
Yes. Would you like to plant some new seeds right now?
Yeah, I would, Meow. Do you feel better now, Katerina? Yes.
Here,
Grr-ific.
let's go. Now, you just dig a little hole, and then you drop one of your seeds in the hole, cover it up with dirt, and then pat, pat, pat on top.
Pat, 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 pat.
Just like that.
Here's a little hole. And here you go, little strawberry seed. Meow, meow, pat, pat, pat. I'm planting strawberry seeds too, so we can grow so many strawberry plants. Here you go, little strawberry seeds. Drink up. And now, I will do my strawberry dance to help the strawberries grow. Little strawberry seeds, you are so tiny, but then you will grow and make big strawberries for us to eat. There, meow, meow. Now the seeds can grow some strawberries.